Are you planning to buy or already hold any life insurance policy, including unit linked insurance plan? This video is for you. Hi, I'm Gayatri and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain who gets taxed, who remains tax free, and how capital gains apply to ULIPs under New Income Tax Act 2025. Let's get started.
A life insurance policy is a contract where insurance company agrees to pay a specific sum of money to the policyholder's beneficiaries or nominees upon the policyholder's death. A ULIP plan is a type of insurance policy that provides life insurance coverage along with investment in market-linked securities. Let's see the taxability. The life insurance maturity proceeds along with bonus is exempt only when the conditions are met. When the amount is received on death of the policyholder, it is completely exempt. Let's see the conditions. If the policy was purchased before April 2003, there are no conditions. It's fully exempt. If it is purchased after 2003 but before March 2012, the premium payable should be capped at 20% of sum assured. If purchased after 2012, April 2012, but before March 2013, the premium payable should be capped at 10% of sum assured. This is both. This is for both life insurance policy and ULIP plan. If it is purchased after April 2013 but before January 2021, premium should be capped at 15% for special policies and 10% for other policies. What's the special policy here? It's just a life insurance policy, but for persons with disabilities and suffering from diseases. Until January 2021, both life insurance policies and ULIP policies were having same treatment. From February 2021, there were additional conditions for ULIPs. If policy was purchased from February 2021 but before March 2023, premium is capped at 15 or 10% of sum assured for normal life insurance policies. For ULIPs, additionally, aggregate premium paid for all policies should be less than 250 rupees. If a person purchases two ULIP policies, he should satisfy both the conditions, that is, paying combined or aggregate premium less than rupees 2,50,000 and having premium capped at 10 or 15% of the sum assured. Similar conditions were included for normal life insurance policies from April 2023. The only difference on the aggregate premium is 2,50,000 for ULIPs and 5 lakhs for life insurance policies. This aggregate premium condition is not applicable for new policies issued by IFSC Insurance Office from April 2025. Next, amount received under Keyman insurance policy and section 127 subsection 4 is fully taxable in the year the amount is received. Keyman insurance policy is a life insurance or disability insurance to protect against loss if a critical employee dies or becomes disabled. It is taken by the business, and at the time of death of the employee, the proceeds are received by the business and not the family. Amount under section 127 subsection 4 is a sum received at the time of death of disabled dependent before the assessee, who has made a payment or deposit under a LIC scheme for the maintenance of disabled dependent and satisfied all the conditions laid in the section. We shall see the conditions separately in another video. So what will be the tax rate for ULIPs when no exemption is applicable, when the premium conditions are not satisfied? Section 198 applies as it is an equity-oriented fund, and generally these policies are held for long term, more than 12 months or 365 days. Income tax is calculated on long-term capital gain exceeding Rs 125,000 at the rate of 12.5%. Section 196 applies if it is held for less than 365 days, which is pretty rare, but at the rate of 20%. TDS shall be deducted from the maturity proceeds at the rate of 2% when the amount is taxable. If the proceeds are less than 1 lakh, then no TDS is deducted. So, amount received on death of policyholder and on maturity if all the conditions are met, are fully exempt.
There is quick summary available on screen. If there is any doubt or clarification needed, do leave a comment. Hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. We'll be right back with more similar topics. Thank you.